This here last year, and I replaced the burner motor on this unit. Give it a quick service here. Old bugger. This thing's been around for a while. It's been around for a while. A little dirty, not too bad. It's a long one. I'll take that cover off in there. Look at them burners. Looks like that's been apart before.
Pretty dirty or what?
Well, we're checking it.
In not quite a year.
Yeah, don't look too bad. Get my camera, I'll look up there and see what it looks like. Definitely dirty. Definitely dirty. These burners are all starting to rot out. This furnace is going to be changed. I'm going to have to show that to her. I'm going to need a new furnace. Alright guys, I sent some pictures to the lady's son or whatever. He's gonna told him the furnace is going to have to be replaced. ASAP. ASAP. It's not worth putting burners in it, that's for sure. Hello, could I help you?
Hey, Steve, Scott McCray here on Division Road.
Yeah, how you doing?
Hey, that's good. You got a break in your action yet?
Yeah, I do actually. You could probably do something either, you know, today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been meaning to call you. You get flipping cold again, you know, and I got a bunch of freeze-ups with people and stuff. When's better for you?
Well, I'm home all day today.
Okay.
I should be home. Well, I don't know yet about tomorrow, but I should be. But definitely today, so I know that.
You going back out on a boat?
Well, not yet, no. Not right away.
Yeah, all right. Let me see if I can get over there today. I got a couple of the cleanings to do. We'll see how they go and try to get over there. Okay?
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
You got a dog in the car.
I do. Yeah.
The dog is barking.
Is she?
Looking this way.
She's barking.
Well, I think it's barking. He's the wind looking out, probably looking for you, naturally.
Yeah, she's.
Oh my God,
So, yeah.
that looks so complicated.
So your husband died? Your husband passed away?
My husband just died about 2 months ago.
Yeah, because last time I was here, he was around.
Well, his lungs were bad and he was not a smoker. And then he fell on the sidewalk. He wanted to stop the car. He hadn't been driving for 2 months. His legs gave out. He fell right here on the side, inside my yard.
Yeah.
And 2 weeks in the hospital. The blood went to his brain, that hematoma. They could never get rid of it. He died.
Oh my God. So it's a freak thing. It's kind of a freak
things
thing.
were not going good with his lungs anyway. But the fall did everything quickly.
The fall did him in.
He'd been like not well all summer long, difficulty breathing, nurses coming in, but the fall and the blood and the hematoma in the brain, that clinched it.
So we're on the same page. You understand this thing's got to be replaced like ASAP. You know, it doesn't have to be me to do
I'm glad
it,
you spoke to
but somebody
Kurt,
has to do
because
it.
Kurt
No.
is very well aware of what's going on.
I sent them pictures.
Yeah.
You know.
And it could cause carbon monoxide.
Right. I don't really want to turn it back on, but I don't want to leave you without heat either. But this is something that's got to be done.
But I'm glad it's in Kurt's hands, and he's very good to handle that. I'm glad he was working from home today. I think he's got a dental appointment at my other daughter for his teeth cleaning now at 11. So
You know, you can't. It's not something. It's not something you can you know, wait on, ma'am. You understand, right? We're on the same page.
You explained that part to him.
Yeah, I did. You know, I'm just making sure that you understand also.
Rely on whatever decision he makes.
Right.
I mean, a woman left alone is kind of tough.
Yeah, it's not easy.
But I do have 2 son-in-laws, 2 daughters who are very helpful. At least their grandchildren are all working, all out of town, all out of state. But, so at least I have Kurt taking care of this problem. Money-wise, it might be a few thousand, right?
No, I told him $4,000.
4,000?
4,000. It's high efficiency unit. It's got to be vented out the side of the building there. See it? Vented out the side. There's no chimney. It's high efficiency.
4,000.
Yep. And I'll take some measurements before I go, but that's what you're looking at. Oh. Like I said, don't have to be me that does it, but somebody has to replace this thing.
Yeah. Well, like you said, he was checking with, I guess, somebody that he has.
Yeah, he's got a buddy that does heat. It needs to be replaced.
Well, can't change what's happening, that's all.
Well, you know, it's gotta be safe. You can't have something that's not safe.
I'm glad I can get today before something drastic happens in a month or so.
They've been running like that for a long time. It's gonna be replaced. Look at the size of this return. I mean, it's tiny.
I don't want to live with anyone. I'd rather live by myself.
Yeah.
If I can. If I can't, then I'll have to go someplace. But I don't want to live with
I'm gonna take some measurements on it, and then we'll, you know, before I go. But
Okay.
yeah, it's just
What is your first name?
Steve
Steve.
to run new pipe out here, and these elbows aren't any good. It's a pretty tall unit. New one will be a lot lower. $17.5 inch wide. Well, it's a little 80. It's a little 80,000 is what you got here. It's a little 80,000 BTU unit. 75, 80,000. That's what you're gonna. That's what I'm gonna go back with here. I want to check the vents. If there's any carbon monoxide in the vents coming out. Where's the vents?
Where's the
Where the heat comes out.
radiators underneath the windows?
You see where it pops out of the house right there. Well, it's probably 3 feet off the ground where the vent comes out. Alright guys, so I left that one there, you know, it was a judgment call. I left it running for now, but she knows it needs to be replaced like ASAP within, you know, as soon as possible. They want to get another price. And I sent the guy pictures of it, so he knows what's going on with it. I did check the carbon monoxide at the vents. It had like no or 1 part per million, which is fine. But it's not something that, you know, it's a judgment call. I could have shut it off and left it without heat, but you know, it's flipping cold around here. I mean, you gotta be careful when you do that. It's like right on the borderline whether I should have left it on running or not. But it's been running like that for a while. So sometimes you have to make a judgment call whether you want to shut it down and leave them without heat or let it ride and let them know, you know, they got to change it right away, type of thing. So I don't know. It's all part of the job. You're taking a chance sometimes, but it's all the way it is. So I mean, what are you gonna do? Got to make a judgment and go with it. Hopefully you made the right one. The only way it can't be without heat. I mean, it's cold out. If I would have had, you know, high parts per million coming out of the registers, I would have shut it down like right away. I had to get my camera fixed so I could check the heat exchanger. The old back rubs. You love back rubs. Yeah, you love back rubs. Oh yeah, you love back rubs.